Hi friends, welcome to toadscorner.com videos. How much chicken should I eat to lose weight? Chicken includes in a diet as lean meat and it does not contain much fat. Apart from protein, chicken also contains calcium and phosphorus, so regular consumption helps to lose weight. Chicken provides 25 gram of protein per 3 OZ, thus keeping you fuller for a long and is beneficial for those who are trying to lose weight. Ideally, one should take around 3 to 4 ounces of chicken, which is about the size of a palm. Benefits: Number 1. Eating chicken helps to build strength as it has a very high content of protein. Number 2. As the chicken is lean meat, it does not contain much fat, so it is just right to lose weight. Number 3. Calcium and phosphorus in chicken keeps our bones and healthy and reduces the risk of arthritis. Point number 4. Magnesium present in chicken helps to relieve premenstrual syndrome symptoms, that is PMS, and lower the stress levels. Point number 5. Chicken also helps to boost immune cells and acids in recovering from cold and flu. Ways to include chicken in your meal. One can include chicken by adding them in soups or stews to gain maximum health benefits. On the other hand, you shall avoid fried chicken as it loads with calories. It can be minced and added in salads, which would also keep the weight under control. Furthermore, you may include chicken breasts, wings, and thigh in a weight loss diet. Thus, including chicken in your regular diet helps to lose weight, but in a healthy way. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.